V1 base form seek. V2 past form sought. V3 past participle sought. V4 present par, seeking. V5 SESIES seeks. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb seek? Answer. The base form of the verb seek is seek. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb seek? Answer. The past form of the verb seek is sought. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb seek? Answer. The past participle of the verb seek is sought. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb seek? Answer. The present participle of the verb see is seeking. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb seek? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb seek is seeks. Verb forms. Example sentences. V1 I seek knowledge. V2 she sought help from her friends. V3 they have sought solutions to the problem. V4 he is currently seeking employment. V5 she seeks adventure in every opportunity. Subscribe my channel.